Click, a new generation of flooring. This demo shows you how easily and quickly you can fit your Click floor. You can click the planks together in any direction thanks to the unique 4-sided click system. First connect the short side and then the long side. It's so easy, anyone can do it. The identical 4-sided locking profile allows you to fit your DC floor faster than traditional click systems. No need to walk back to the other side of the room to start the next row. Click offers you the opportunity to have several fitters working simultaneously on the same floor. You can finish any room in no time at all. Expand your creative thinking and fit any floor pattern you can think of. You can even mix several colors to create a staggering effect. Tiles and planks can easily be combined in one floor, perfect for an open kitchen or living room. Click only needs very little subfloor preparation. Thanks to our revolutionary RCB technology, you can install Click on top of your existing hard flooring, such as tiles and laminate, a dream for renovation projects. Click is suitable in any room in your home. The Click Pro collection can even be fitted in shops and offices. Let your Click planks acclimate at room temperature before installation. You don't need to buy expensive installation equipment to fit your Click flooring. A Stanley knife will do the job. Remove the locking tabs of the plank on the first row on the side facing the wall. Start the installation in either corner of the room and click your way to the other side. Install spacers at regular intervals against every wall in the room. Start the next row where you finished the previous row. Measure the width needed to install the last row and cut your planks accordingly. Before you know it, the whole room is transformed and you can enjoy your Click floor, a real dream floor.